I am not afraid, but if Stacy and I have different beliefs, I want we to go our separate ways in peace. I owe Stacy no obligation, neither did Stacy owe me, neither do Stacy owe me no obligation. Now, the only conversation that I have with Valine Williams about Stacy, Valine said to me, Stacy used to follow her page. Stacy does not follow, nor Stacy does not share her out anymore because no other people, because when the woman from Portland was dragging her daughter, Stacy said nothing. There is a lady where I don't like, she don't like me neither, by the name of Sophie Dunkley, called Stacy and said to Stacy, because now this thing is getting out of hand and I will not stay quiet no more. When other people, I don't care if over where me was, over 360 lane, can drag me, because if me never did mix up with them couldn't have dragged me. But me I got talk. Stacy, I'm not supposed to in no problem. No. Valine said, Sophia called Stacy and said, oh, you're not defending Lady V daughter. And Stacy said she's not getting involved. She's not getting involved. So how no? Valine can say, allegedly say, and me put up Valine and Stacy. If you no problem. Come now, man. Come, uno do. Me a hold this thing, you know. Me a hold it. Me a hold it. Me a hold it. You know the funny thing? The funny thing? Me cause all of when me a go through now. You know why? Do you know why? 360 man never did want to deal with Valine. And me tell him say Valine a good smaddy. And put them for talk and I was sacrificed. Everybody there and know when I call over with the Sunday and Dana call me. And Valine, when me said to Valine say she not hear the live. But Valine can say, where I was frightened when somebody told me go draw down the life over YouTube. And hear my name. I say, me did over there, ready for cuss Dana. And then, Dana, me sorry me have to call your name because me never want to do this. And when me go over Dana, me go over the like lamb. When did that happen? Well, listen man, don't do it. If the mix-up supposed to stay between 4 away, where so much somebody are doing at this 1 week, me can't take it no more. With Stacy Campbell, me and Stacy not supposed to in a nothing. What them ya suck me ya? What is this? All me did know. Me no know how much something me name. This here somebody name a call. That there somebody name a call. Me no business. Leave it alone. But with Stacy part, me not going to stay quiet with it. And don't draw me out. Because I never know say Valine was Stacy counselor when Chris and Dana slush her. Me never know that. Me never know say Stacy did want to take her life and a Valine talk her out tight. Me no joke. Me no joke. Uno hear 360 man over there. The ball out. All you can hear, Lady V tell him. Where you hear him say me tell him more Lady V. Where you hear Ashanti can say, me tell him more Lady V. How me if you make Lady V and STACY a problem? And Lady V upset about the woman because the woman not defend her daughter. So how you are going to tell where Ashanti can get that from fair chat? No man, but hey, all about all my son. No, me never come for hey. You see, sometimes you are all about all my son. Because I never put up my son to come out. For social media get to drag me. Valina got tell. Lady V I got tell. I never me tell 360 man say. My son dead. When my son dead, I walk me and get ready to go. I'm say a lie me I tell. Me sit down and talk private things with Valine. Me tell Valine the reason why me can't go to Jamaica. Valine make up story. But no tell me take it easy. Me not take this one. I'm tired of it now. Look how much like over there do me. When me never for me pick me them life, for me life, if me ever tell Lady V so, say Ashanti and Matlock, not the pan good terms, I beg God don't let me think I me like Lady V was swear upon Bible about the cake argument. If me do something, say me do it. Me tired of it now. Who want make a STACY want get involved? Who you want put the plank of them against me? Me tired. Me coulda hold that one here. Me can't hold it no more. What STACY are doing a mix up. Everybody know how STACY stay. Everybody know how STACY stay. All you hear over 360 lane. Lady V said 13. Lady V said this. Lady V said that. Oh, you can't hear. Ashanti only can't talk when me tell him say. I'm come out from there one. I'm telling you, some of them are lie. Some of them are true. Nobody can beat me. Lady V have a pattern because me for talk out. At that side I go there. Me only come about STACY part. Now make me come back out here. Me tired of this. Don't make me come back out here. Me tired. You know how much people you tell me say, since you want me talk, we call you and me complain. So everybody you go around and say no like Dana. Everybody no like Dana. Me never know say I use STACY. Me never know say STACY the one take our life. Remember I know that me that say other people, you know. Me never. I would have talked something. You know what? I'm going to come out for the life and go vice STACY, you know. I'm not going to come out for the life and go. Can you see me? Me not joking with my name. Nobody now pay me pass anything when me say. But don't tell a lie for me. Me no partner. Me no make no division between Lady V and STACY. None. Me don't make no. Too much things. Look how much like over there drag me. See nothing. I say I not answer Matlock. I leave everything in a God's hand. All because of mix up. All because I carry go bring come. Nothing no less. When my clock not tell me when me hear Ashanti over there say Lady V tell him say. We not know. Me know that one here with Stacey now. No. In the week, before me black lady via from my phone and come off when me hear the part, me say no, you really want to mix me. Ladies, have you said to me, say Stacey said them two bitches. And me say you know me not in an argument with Stacey. So oh no, you are gonna tell Ashanti say. And me, part make you as Stacey mash up for what? What me gonna make you as Stacey mash up for? If Stacey ever believe, if Stacey, everybody will go with separate ways and wave white flag. Me no want nobody mix me. No tell no lie for me. Enough is enough. Don't to me dead pitney. Don't to me dead pitney. No man, what kind of what Stacey name are doing at this? What Stacey name are doing at this? Me no business with Stacey. I no friend know me as Stacey a move. Pierre Bangarang, all about me dead pitney. That a lady Vino, the motivation speaker, you know. What she not talk about people pitney, you know. But me dead pitney. Lady V cannot gossip about the dead. When Lady V offer me help, I me refuse it. Lady V offer me help to bury me picnic till the night before me picnic lay to rest. Me dead picnic, not even me dead picnic. Lady V couldn't respect. And when you see it now go nowhere, no, you try to make stay. Oh, you can't me with part when me make all me mash up your Stacey. Oh, me mash up you and Stacey. Oh, what Stacey doing at them bangarang here? You know them something hurt me. You know why it hurt me? I never hear from I know Stacey come out on social media. She ride alone. If me forgot on WhatsApp to check the message them. Not the concrete. Stacey ride alone. Me never hear Stacey in no bangarang with nobody. With nobody. Whether with a co-host, pan nobody platform, unless it's another blogger, but if it's said me say you say, me never hear Stacey name tonight. So why no Stacey have inner with my name? Why? Why? The motivation speaker me explain to. Me cry to Lady V, ball like a cow. And Lady V can go behind my back, go discuss about my dead son. Me tell Lady V the reason why me not go to Jamaica. And Lady V make up a different theory. I'm going to tell Ashanti. The night when Ashanti talk about my dead son, a lucky thing says somebody screen record it and me and Lady V upon the phone. Me and Lady V. And Lady V said to me, say, Jesus Christ, 13 Ashanti talk about your dead son. Don't say anything. Somebody screen record it and make me hear. Make me hear what Ashanti say. Send it to my phone. Say, Lady V, remember you know, Lady V asked for me money for my son. She was going on like she's so concerned. Me say, me got this. Me say, Val, me got this. Me say, Val, me got this. And when me say, me wouldn't believe, when Lady V tell me about my son with the conversation, then comes argument. I mean, you see, a long time I can't say, me nah look for over Ashanti yard. Me nah look. Me nah look. But with STACY, me no want this thing here with the girl name. STACY I must say 43. Me don't want it. This thing here, and me, Lady V and Ashanti supposed to in a bangarang. Nobody else. Everybody else, all people name. I call up. I say me sit down and I say I go get people at the half. Me dey go wait before me come in up and me say I don't want to say. Me I come mountain to come look my money. Me say me I wait till after the mountain me come out here and sit down and explain to you one by one what was said, what happened. But you see in the night here when me get to understand but STACY, me say no, this I got two blood clot for. The woman no in a mix up. I never hear nobody say STACY do. If STACY have something to come out, where you think STACY not clap me too? STACY not afraid. As STACY got my back with Tina 2 times. When you hear me say, me owe STACY one any given day. A pussy run out pan STACY. Me not go afraid for run out pan them because if it wasn't for STACY, me would have dead in a carousel. Tina Chino that same come here come kill me and me no know. Because STACY defend me and she don't even blood cleat call me. Nothing like that. The woman in a mix up. Me and you do everything. Hey, listening up, me was a co-host over Ashanti, you know. And when you sit down, you know, remember me not here, you know. People are reach out to me and I say 13. You know, see notice say Ashanti across Lady V. Matlak across Ashanti across Lady V more than you. And everything Ashanti me I say no. I something different when I see Lady V. I go want for what kind of conversation that? Where you want to fling me down for? Where you want? Where me dead pick me? Where me dead pick me? Where me dead picking me? I do in your mouth for you Ashanti have a conversation. Where me dead pick me? Because you say you see it in a comment section where people are me not put it out. So because me not put it away there now. So me have to something because me, when me go shave and steam and wash me front. Because so me no come on social media can tell you no say me go shave, steam and wash me front. That means to say me I walk with a stinking pussy because me not beard. Where you want to put me and Ping Ping now? Where Ping Ping got my back? Wanna call me all sort of name out here? What Ping Ping do? Where me and Ping Ping supposed to have? Me and Ping Ping never have anything. Me don't like them things here, man. Only for things that shanty over them. Me might not listen, but me a hear. About out I say, Lady V tell him this. Lady V, which and me make a shanty talk to Lady V. Cause no see me out here, hold me and hold it. Me can't hold it no more. With Stacy, me cannot hold it no more. What the woman name are doing a mix up? It seems to me like Lady V need a psychiatrist. She can be a psychiatrist. Because if me can sit down and explain something to you, different reason why me not go to Jamaica, and you can go make up a theory. You can go make up a theory. You know what? I blame myself. I blame myself. Cause I said that same Ashanti there never want deal with Lady V. Never want. I beg him, I force him to deal with Lady V. And look how much judgment Lady V make Ashanti. I don't call Ashanti because I say Matlock over there. If you got tell that man say me say him and Matlock not upon no good terms. Why would you do that? Too much. Me can't take that one here. This is wickedness. Me never tell every word. And you know, say yesterday me said to somebody, say every word. Matlock can't disgrace me. Because me and Matlock never used to talk up. She said she not like me. She cannot disgrace me. Because there is a God. Just when Matlock start post me, I make sure I come out and I put up a post. God know. So me never hold that conversation with Lady V. I can tell you something, you know. You see, when time I done do my things in mountain, me ever come and I did so everything. You don't know me already, you know. Me no do nothing hide pan you. That's why it pain my heart when me hear my name in a money bangarang. It pain my heart when me hear my name in a money. Festive come out, none of them can call my name. And if you know say, no hear all Lady V did wrong. If you know say Lady V, of course when me Ashanti the kick off, I tell Ashanti, say me bang, cuss me and cuss me, and me tell me never dog back over Ashanti. Of course me tell Lady V so. And if you know say Lady V put power me tell him say and turn make for no reason at all and never hold a conversation and I take it I say make Matlock curse me because I say if me never go over there, if me never mix up but with Stacey name, no, Stacey wanna fi come out. That's a wickedness. Totally wickedness. Me never in a them there's something there on platform. One time the people them that go kick off and me say no, I frig with that. The whole of we can attack and you go about come expose. And the other one money. Nobody name never bring up. Them ya bangarang ya never there. No, as Stacey other people name get involved. What Stacey name are doing a bangarang? Where Stacey name is do, and I have more things can talk, but I will not say it on the live because that is me no want nobody go say, you know, me no mad, you know. Me upset with me, cause when me wrong, cause if me go tell you now, if me never did that chat to Lady V, just like Ashanti, that's why me say me gone so low, me alone. If me never did a chat to none of them, my name couldn't call, like couldn't tell upon me. Me all it, all what they do me all it. But with this, with Stacey name, no. And from over the first platform, me and Stacey a deal. From over the first platform, all me do a protect Lady V. I never hold a conversation with nobody about Lady V. Never all Lady V attack to me. Lady V don't tell me say Ashanti tell her, so me say and look how much thing the man over there they ball out. Say Lady V say Kingston 13 say. Look how much things. Come on people. Me can't only take so much. Me will take it beat now come whop up whole heap of people upon ya. But with Stacey, no. The girl, everybody more different. Everybody more different. The girl just lose her mother. Sometimes when I see people upon you, I think, oh, the girl just lose her mother. My son died before Stacey mother. My son died before Stacey mother. So good God. Good God. Where Stacey name are doing a mix up. But Stacey name are doing a bangarang. How come you can't go tell Ashanti them the something there? Me no want to hear nothing more. You see from Lady V. Hey, when me hear it, you know, from Lady V can go tell Ashanti say, me not like Dana. Cause me did want for everybody know. Let me tell you something. Me not obligated for like Dana. Me like, love and respect that woman as a black woman. Me dep on the right side. When Dana do wrong, me I go clap Dana. Anybody, once you're wrong, and once you're right for me. So after you go around because everybody when you talk to them, you know, say you talk to, you know, just say them not like Dana, you know. Everybody who call you and make complaint to you about Dana, you know, Lady V. And I couldn't know if Stacey did want to do so. Don't you dare do that. They can't take it no more. Me cannot take it no more.